Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network forget setting in our Samsung phone device guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how can we forget our Wi-Fi network guys. Which Wi-Fi network guys you have connected in your Samsung phone, and guys you want to forget it means guys you want to remove this network in your Samsung phone. So guys, how can you remove it? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I am going to tell you guys if you need my channel. So guys, first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to forget your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see this type of settings, so guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your connection settings. So guys, tap here, then guys click on your Wi-Fi setting. So you can see guys which Wi-Fi network guys you have connected. You want to forget means guys you want to remove this network. So I have connected guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi, and guys you can see setting option, guys tap here, then guys you can see forget option. So guys tap here to forget, then guys this Wi-Fi will remove means forget, then guys you cannot use it. And guys when you will use guys you will have to enter again password to choose this Wi-Fi network, otherwise guys you cannot use it. So I hope friends you've understood how to remove and guys how can you forget your Wi-Fi network in a Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.